You don't have anything not waterproof in there, right?
Hey guys, Tyler Jorgensen with Jorgensen Powersports here. Look what we got in today. This right here is the new Muc-Off pressure washer system. It is awesome. It is electric pressure washer. Comes with different size nozzles. Comes with all of these right here. You have chain lube, cleaner, protectant. So once you spray it on, after you clean everything off, it makes everything very slippery for water, mud, etc. Cleaner concentrate and soap. We actually sprayed off a Can-Am the other day right after it got done riding. It was pretty muddy and the dirt literally just started to fall right off. It was awesome. I actually have not seen that before, the way that this system does it. The best part about this whole system, like I said, it comes with the pressure washer, light, easy to move, comes with the wand and the foam cannon. The foam cannon is the coolest part. It really allows the soap to foam up on the machine and it sprays a lot of it. It's really cool. Best thing about it is all fits in this bag. It's a travel bag. It's very, very easy to carry around and take with you wherever you go. It's one of the best parts about it. If you decide you don't want to go this extreme, we have another option. We put these bucket kits together so that you can get bucket, comes with brushes, comes with the soap that truly just lets dirt melt off of your machine. It's awesome how well that works. It comes with silicone shine. It comes with a Muc-Off microcell sponge. And it also comes with microfiber towels as well. That comes in this more simplified kit. Both awesome kits, and they both do the job extremely well. Yeah, so come by, give us a call, or stop by and come pick one of these really cool cleaning kits up. They're for exactly what it is that we do here at Jorgensen's. Motorcycles, ATVs, side-by-sides, bicycles, it takes care of it all. It's not just a regular cleaning system. It is specifically designed for this. It is really cool. Come see us.